As the only 4,400 plus square foot home in the community with a double water view, brand new exterior paint on the back of the home, one of the most extensive floor plans in the area, a backyard with enough room to build the pool of your dreams, and an intuitive, flexible interior living space offering multiple design concepts for everyone's comfort and entertainment needs. Welcome to the fantastic community of Watermark, just moments from Walt Disney World and nearby to brand new dining and entertainment venues, new Panther Lake Elementary and Springs Middle Schools, a new hospital and the 429 granting access to the 408 I-4 and the Turnpike. Inside, 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, a guest half bath, 2-car extended width garage, a first floor owner's suite with water frontage view, and massive bonus media room, a built-in homework/homeschool area with extra storage and granite. Make this an optimum floor plan. Add a fantastic rear and side water frontage view providing beautiful sunset views, no rear neighbors, and an evening scenery of Disney fireworks make this the best location. A covered front porch and no direct front neighbors offer a wonderful view of the community bench swing overlooking the water. Inside, open foyer and an upgraded glass insert front door offer plenty of natural light to highlight high ceilings, tile flooring, and access to the living room home office, separate dining room and guest half bath. The dining room features large windows, newer wood-laminate floors, access to the Butler's pantry with granite, extra 42-inch cabinet storage, and a walk-in pantry. The kitchen offers a large granite island, perfect for entertaining or as an extra workspace for the home chef. The adjacent glass cooktop and separate exterior vented hood vent system, along with the built-in double-wall oven and microwave, are the perfect addition. The kitchen and additional dining area each have a view of the large family room with new floors, an electric fireplace, and a rear-covered patio. The first floor primary suite design is special as the closet has a quick access door to the laundry room, added storage area with 42-inch cabinets and granite, and garage access. The suite is perfect for large furniture and has access to the covered patio. The private bath is spectacular with separate double granite vanities, a seamless glass shower, a corner jetted soaking tub, and a private water closet. Adjacent to the family room, stairs lead up to the gigantic bonus room. This space is huge and would be a perfect game room. It's centrally located between the other 5 bedrooms, the 3 other full baths, one is a Jack and Jill, extra storage, and the separate media room. Each bedroom is quite large with walk-in closets. A few offer new flooring, and just about all have a water view. The rear bedroom is a full suite. Rooms of this size allow you to utilize them any way you desire: home workout area, home offices.